The Crazy Frog song, officially titled Axel F, is a remix of the iconic theme song from the 1984 movie Beverly Hills Cop. The song gained immense popularity in 2005 after it was remixed and released by Crazy Frog, a Swedish animated character created by Eric Granqvist. The Crazy Frog song is an outstanding choice for learning on the piano. Its playful rhythm, repetitive structure, and energetic melody make it both enjoyable and educational. Learning this tune helps develop finger agility, hand coordination, and timing. The catchy, upbeat nature of the song keeps learners motivated and entertained while mastering essential piano techniques. It's a fantastic piece to enhance confidence and make piano practice a fun experience. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the D minor scale before focusing on the melody. Understanding the notes of the D minor scale will help you become more comfortable with the tune. This will build your confidence in quickly recognizing and playing the musical notes effortlessly.
Sa ga sa sama sa ni sa pa sa dha pa ga sa pa sa ni ni pa ri sa. Sa ga sa sama sa ni sa pa sa dha pa ga sa pa sa ni ni pa ri sa. Ne ma ga 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 re 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 ne ma pa ma ga 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 re 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 sa.
We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.